All right, all. So here's my take on the pitch. So what is the scale computing platform? It's an edge to cloud solution that enables organizations to run their workloads wherever it would be most performant, efficient, and cost effective. So we have solutions that are built for data center and edge computing use cases that provide cloud-like performance and simplicity, but is much more cost effective than public and private cloud alternatives. And with the Scale Computing Fleet Manager, which is the industry's first ever cloud-based fleet management solution, organizations can manage and monitor the health of their infrastructure from a single console, be it one or 50,000 clusters, which makes it the perfect solution for MSPs and organizations with distributed IT infrastructure. So whether an organization is building the grocery store of the future or an autonomous warehouse, or they just need a modern data center that's highly available, it's easy to manage, and most importantly, it's affordable, then they need to check out the Scale Computing platform. And for more information, they can go to scalecomputing.com.